Good morning students. This is 12th class biology, chapter 8 human health and disease, and today we will discuss the homework solutions of lecture 7. So this is answer for question number 14 of NCERT. Effects of drug and alcohol abuse. So there are different effects of these. First is reckless behavior, vandalism and violence. I have already told you careless behavior is called reckless behavior. Vandalism means deliberate destruction of the things. After that, second effect is coma and death due to respiratory failure, heart failure or cerebral hemorrhage. So there can be death due to excessive amount of the drug or alcohol, because that may cause respiratory failure, heart failure or cerebral hemorrhage, means bleeding, internal bleeding in the brain. Then drug plus alcohol means when these are taken together, these may lead to death. Next is drop in academic performance and unexplained absence from school. Next is lack of interest in personal hygiene. Next is withdrawal and isolation. So all these are effects of drug and alcohol abuse. Next is depression, fatigue, means feel tired, aggressive and rebellious behavior. Rebellious behavior means ready to break the rules every time. Deteriorating relationship between family and friends. So with family and friends, relationships becomes worse continuously. Loss of interest in hobbies also. Next is change in sleeping and eating habits. Sleep patterns may change due to intake of alcohol and drug. Also there is fluctuation in weight and appetite. After that, social problems like stealing, in case of not getting the amount for purchasing these drugs and alcohol. Spread of infectious diseases in case of intravenous drug intake like AIDS and hepatitis B. Next is damage of nervous system and cirrhosis. So many receptors for drugs are present in nervous system, and also alcohol affect the peripheral nerves. So nervous system damage can be there, and liver damage, that is called cirrhosis. Next effect is use of drugs and alcohol by pregnant women adversely affect the fetus. Okay, fetus development, mental development as well as physical development is affected by the use of drug and alcohol. This is the answer for question number 15 of NCERT. Then do you think that a friend can influence someone to take drugs and to consume alcohol? And what precautionary measures can be taken by someone to avoid such situations? Okay, so the answer is yes. Friends can have an influence on friends to start taking drugs and consume alcohol. The following actions can be taken as precautionary measures to protect oneself or ourselves from alcohol or drug abuse, and they are: first thing, one must have a strong control over his or her will. Okay, we should have a control over our will, so that under any pressure we would not start taking drugs or consuming alcohol. Okay, one should refrain from experimenting. Okay, refrain from experimenting means avoid the experimentation with alcohol just for the sake of trying. Okay, because many adolescents take alcohol, consume alcohol just for trying. Like they say that we are just trying for once, and curiosity and fun. Okay, so due to any of these reasons, one should not take alcohol or drugs. Next thing is, we should stay away from people who are in drugs addiction. Okay, we should stay away from the drug addicts because they will obviously pressurize other ones also for taking the same. Okay, seek elderly advice, peer or medical assistance. Like if we feel that we need the drugs, we need the alcohol, okay, and we feel any kind of withdrawal syndrome, in that case one must seek elderly advice, or the peer advice can be taken, or the medical assistance, medical advice can be taken. Then enlighten yourself with enough knowledge about the consequences of drug abuse, right? One should have knowledge that what are the side effects of the drugs, okay? What can be the effects due to drug abuse. So one should have knowledge about that. Go in for a counseling session, right? Next thing, take up some hobby, extracurricular activity. So just keep yourself busy. Like you must have a hobby, that is extracurricular activity, okay? Other than your academics, there should be a hobby which keeps you engaged, right? Next is, if depression or frustration levels persist or heightens, seek immediate medical or professional help. If you are feeling very depressed or you remain frustrated every time, then you should seek medical help, or any professional help can be taken in that case. And this is the answer for question number 16 of NCERT, and the question is, why it is difficult to get rid of the habit of drug or alcohol abuse, okay? And the answer is, alcohol consumption and uses of drugs has a severe addictive impact linked with euphoria, okay? Because of the consumption of drug or the alcohol, there is a feeling of euphoria, means increased energy, rendering a momentary feeling of well-being, okay? A feeling of well-being is also associated with the consumption of drugs and alcohol. Regular intake of drugs can increase the tolerance level of receptors of the body, which furthermore leads to more drug consumption, right? Consumption of the drugs and alcohol also affect the receptors which are present in our brain, and they increase the tolerance level of these receptors. That's why one starts taking more and more dose of these with time, okay? And it becomes very difficult to get rid of the habit. Now next is question number 17. This is answer for question number 17, that what motivates youngster to take alcohol or drugs, okay? What are the reasons for taking alcohol or drugs, or you can say what motivates the youngsters to take alcohol or drugs. So first thing is curiosity, that motivates the youngster to take the alcohol or drug. They are very curious in nature. Adolescent people are very curious in nature, so that motivate them to take alcohol or drugs. Next thing is need for adventure and excitement. After that, they want to do new experiments, so that need of experimentation also motivate them to take alcohol or drug. Next is to escape facing problems, because life is full of problems, and many youngsters, just to escape facing those problems, they start taking alcohol or drugs. Then stress from pressure to excel in academics or examination. Next is television, movies, newspapers, internet, etc. These influence the youngsters very much, okay? And due to influence of these things, adolescents can start taking alcohol or drug. Next is unstable or unsupportive family. If the family is not supportive, or unstable family, means there can be many family problems, okay? So in those situations, one can start taking drug or alcohol, and also due to peer pressure. This is also the answer for the same question, question number 17, B part, you can say. These are some of the preventive measures against the use of drugs and alcohol, okay? That what preventive measures can be taken against the use of drugs and alcohol. So first is motivation from parents and elders to develop a strong willpower against it. So one should be motivated by parents or by elders, so that he or she can develop a strong willpower against the use of alcohol and drug. Next is awareness about the ill effects of alcohol should be educated to children by parents. So one should be educated. One should have knowledge about the ill effects of alcohol and drugs, that how badly they can impact our body. Next thing is proper counseling and knowledge regarding the alcohol addiction must be carried out. Okay, so proper counseling should be there. Next thing is parents should take responsibility to monitor the social circle of their children and must advise them against the wrong company, right? So parent should keep a watch on their on their children of adolescent age and should monitor their social circle so that they can be protected from any drug addict or anyone who is engaged in taking such things like drugs and alcohol. Next is encourage students to dedicate their energy in other activities. So students should be encouraged, okay, they should not be pressurized, but they should be encouraged so that they can spend their energies, they can use their energy for their academics and for other good activities, okay, so that they can protect themselves from such bad habits like drug and alcohol abuse. Proper medical and professional assistance should be provided if symptoms of depression and frustration is observed. So if someone is very frustrated or is very depressed, then medical help or the professional help should be taken. Okay, professional like psychologist, psychiatrist help can be taken, psychologist help can be taken. Okay. As this chapter has been completed, so today you need to do the assignment of this chapter that has been uploaded on edquark.com, and tomorrow I will upload the solutions also, and after that there will be test of this chapter. Thank you.